Jordan Fearless Pack, the Jordan Come Fly With Me's, I believe these are called. I guess it's 35, dang dude. Going for 50 bucks, holy crap. Size 11s, man, 80 bucks, man. The all white Jordan 33s, man. These go $45, you guys, for the Why Not 0.2s. There's Jordan 1 low, triple white, all white. Damn. Going for what, 70 bucks? What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're back to do another video, you guys. We are at a warehouse shoe sale. As you guys know, I've been finding all kinds of stuff at warehouse shoe sale. So yeah, I was like, hey, what's going to be dope content for you guys? It's going to be the flagship store, the warehouse. I keep calling it warehouse shoe sale. It's actually WSS. WSS. I think they legally changed their name. Okay, we're at the WSS flagship store out in downtown LA. Yeah, let's go see what's up, man. I've found really good deals here, so yeah, hopefully we can find something. And
as I know stuff, when I see things coming in your size and like that, I'll definitely keep you posted.
All right, this is the store, you guys. Warehouse WSS flagship store. Huge store. Just keeps going forever and ever. And we do have YouTube extraordinaire Bosco Mitchell joining us. We'll get his take on a few things later as well. Okay, they got a separate little Jordan section here. All right. Let's see what's up, you guys. See what's up. All right, they do got the, what are these? The Jordan Fearless Pack, the Jordan Come Fly With Me's, I believe these are called. Not bad. It's all nubuck. Oh, I didn't expect that. The sun's kind of in the way over there, so kind of why I'm getting away from the sun. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Who said man was not meant to fly? That is dope. But yeah, it is super soft. Super soft, you guys. This is a Jordan 1 mid. I know every Jordan hype beast is not a big fan of the mids, but they don't look bad, you guys. $120 too. Only $120, and it's all nubuck. The material is all right. Material is all right on these, you guys. I like the little extras right here, and then the best thing about it, look at the price. Look at the price, you guys. $120, dude. That is not bad. Not bad, you guys. Warehouse shoe sale. If you guys want some of these, not bad. Got some reverse taxis. You guys know about these. Not gonna go over too much because since we've seen these quite a few times for those guys who follow. Seen these quite a few times. I love the gold hits on these. Gold hits. I kind of like the Chinese New Year's a little bit better. I like the white part right here and the little hit of gold on the side. But yeah, these ain't bad. Not bad. Going for retail. $190. We've seen these a few times. The Westbrooks. I think this is the latest colorway. It does look dope. I do like the colors. Already on sale, you guys. 15 bucks off. Not bad. Got a couple of the Spizikes. Not terrible. 30 bucks off of those. And I think this is the newest colorway, the Spizikes. I don't really follow the Spizikes. I don't know the latest colors and stuff, but yeah, that one's going for retail, so it looks like one of the newer ones. Got the Proto Max 720s. Are these the ones? No, these aren't the ones on sale. But yeah, not bad. Not the hugest fan of these. Got that big old 720 air bubble on the bottom. It is covered. That's interesting. A little spatter paint on it. Going for $150. $50 off. Not bad. Plenty of Jordan 1s. I'm not going to sit here and go through every one of them, but plenty of Jordan 1s, you guys. Do have plenty of non-signature ones. Are you guys interested in these? Any of these you guys want me to go through? I don't know. I have a hard time believing people are dying to listen to this. I have a hard time believing anybody wants any additional info regarding these, right? Let me know, though. Let me know. All right, the Puma section's right next door. What do you guys think about these? These are the Puma Legacies. They're hooping shoes. What do you guys think? They're not terrible. They're not bad. The bottoms kind of remind me of the Kyries, like how they, I don't know, just kind of how they look. You guys let me know. What do you guys think about these? Going for 90 bucks. This is $20 off, you know, because everything here is priced really good. Got this colorway as well. 90 bucks. These ain't bad. I'm not a fan of that colorway. I'm more of a fan of these, but 90 bucks. Am I going to spend 90 bucks on them? Probably not, but not bad. Plenty of Air Max 1s going for retail. Yeah, got plenty of styles, you guys. This is going for what, $20 off? More retail game right here. Last one. Which one's your guys' favorite? Which one's your? I kind of gotta go with this blue one. I don't know. I kind of like the different colors on it. Not bad. Going for retail though. Dang, KD Tray 5s. These are the 7s, man. The newest ones, I believe. Yeah, going for. Are these the newest ones? I don't know. They're going for $70 though. Not bad. Different colorway, same price. Different colorway, same price. Some of the Fly Trap 2s, different colorways. I'll go for $79.99. This is the Air Force Max lows. Going for $90. Oh, this is wow. These numbers go for $140. $90. Not the same as retail game, but not bad. They do have a pretty good clearance section, so we'll go check that out in a couple minutes. The Hard and Volume 4s. This is the Star Wars edition, right? Yeah, man. Not bad. Not terrible. Not terrible. What's going for $129? $10 off? They got plenty of sizes all the way from what, 7.5 to 11. Not bad. Let me know if that's your thing, you guys. But the Dawn issue 1s, I don't know. It's like a green Spider-Man edition. I have no clue. It does have a Marvel stuff on it. Go for retail though. Is that Bosco checking out the Feelers? Grant Hills? We are in downtown LA, so you know they got to represent with the Cortezes, right? Dope selection. Pretty much most of it go for retail, $75. But this is the stuff right here, man. Look at this. This is the Day of the Dead pack. But suede, man. This is one of the dopest Cortez I've actually ever seen. Cause like it's totally suede. The suede's not the softest. Not gonna lie, the suede's not the softest. But that little extra, look at that. They got the skulls. They got some of the flowers, the candles. You know, this is dope. They got the Dia de los Muertos type of stuff, man. This is dope. Dope, you guys. Huge fan of these. I don't know, $80 though, man. Maybe I can find this on sale, but I don't think this is something that's ever gonna go on sale because, man, this is gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot. I don't know, man. Dang, I wonder if I should get these. $80 though, man. There's too many Jordans that I'm waiting for though, man. I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys think I should cop this or not? Yeah, there's too many Jordans. I'm waiting for the what the Jordan 4s. I'm waiting for the Bread 11s. The Fearless pack. There's still 1 or 2 of the Fearless pack ones that I want. But yeah, look at that, you guys. They only got size 7, 8, 8.5, 10, 11, 11.5. That's it. So yeah, these bad boys are not going on sale. It's dope though. So dope. I like it. Look at that little extra too. Yeah, that's dope. Alright, I was just told by one of the staff members I can't record, so I'm gonna kind of have to be on the stealth. But yeah, look at this. I guess it's 35. Dang, dude. Going for $50. Holy crap. Such a good price for these, man. These are tough to find at the outlet for $50. Holy crap. Size 11s, man. $80 for the all white Jordan 33s, man. These are actually, they come with the box too. That is crazy. $80, dude. $80. What do these retail for? What, 170 or something? 180 normally? Oh, 160. I think they're more than 160. But yeah, not bad, dude. $80, you guys. Okay, kind of in the size 13s. I'm just kind of walking around the clearance aisles. $50. $50, not bad. Pretty big for their size 13s. Not bad. Air Force Ones. What these going for? $70? $30 off. Not too shabby. Look at this one. $45, you guys, for the Why Not 0.2s. There it says 11.5s. That's crazy. That's a crazy deal, you guys. $50. Holy crap, $50, you guys. And these are dope. This is a cool colorway. Little understated, but dope. Not bad. Might have to look at these for resale, man. That's what's up. We're moving down back in the size 10 zone. Missed these earlier. 59.23 is a marathon, you guys. $50. That's a solid deal. These go for like 120 or something, 130. Yeah, not bad. Super comfy, full length boost, not bad. Jordan 1 low, triple white, all white. Damn. Going for what, $70? $70, not bad. $20 off or something? Okay, not too shabby. Alright, so I was ready to cop these, but yeah, these have been worn. Can't sell them as new, these have been worn. You can tell, like the inside. Not trying, you can see like where the socks kind of wore out. Yeah, I'm not trying to get flagged on GOAT for selling you stuff, so yeah, soles are kind of dirty. You can clean up the soles. But yeah, the fact that part's dirty, yeah, we're gonna have to let these stay. But $50 though, for your personal pair, man, that's what's up. We've never seen these cheap like that. Dang, for $50, I'd try them on. No, I know the Westbrooks run a little bit small sometimes, but yeah, I'd try them on. Too big though. 11.5 is way too big, so gotta put them back. Yeah. Like I said, they do seem to be worn, and I don't want to get flagged for selling you stuff. So yeah. Okay, Quattro Reacts seems to be the going rate for these. $50. Got these Cortez going for $40, but look, yeah, these look like they've been worn too. $40 though, if you want to do some cleaning. So that was the majority of the clearance center. Not gonna shoot too much in here since I've already was told can't shoot, but yeah, see if we can find anything else. They did start out as a local LA thing, so you know, big into the soccer. Guess they're one of the official sponsors. That's pretty cool. A little soccer section and some clearance stuff. Not bad. All right, so pretty much I got told 2-3 times to stop filming. So eventually I just left because I was like, hey, what the hell's the point? I don't know. It's a retail store. Usually they say that in outlets, but in the retail stores I've never seen that. But whatever. It is what it is. Hopefully I got enough content for you guys. If you like these type of videos, make sure you go ahead and like this video. If you like this type of content, make sure you guys, or if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button.
Subscribe, notifications on.
I wasn't able to get much info for, or I wasn't able to interact with Bosco too much because they were busy telling me to leave. So
yeah, bro,
it is what it is. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.